Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. All you have to do is to press the power button, which is located right here on the right side of the device, and press it long enough until you'll see the black screen and the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press this button. Okay, we've got this option, so keep pressing and we will check. Okay, we've got the black screen, which is really good. Let's keep pressing. We've got the developer's logo. I felt the vibration, so we can release the finger, and it means that we just successfully soft reset this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.